got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Primary Arms. You got the window, you can nice light up. Wind noise. Alright, let's get you out of the way. It should be pretty quick. I ordered one type of item, but hopefully they sent the right amount of them. That's what's key, of course. Okay, looks like we got a packing list. Let me get that out of the way. Okay, so we're supposed to have MAGPUL RSA rail sling attachments, and 3 of them. So, wrap this stuff with paper. These make pretty decent targets. You have to flatten them out and draw an image on them. And 1, 2, 3. There we go. Nice. So put that aside. These are from MAGPUL RSA rail sling attachments. These go onto rails and help you with them. Attach either the MS2, MS3 type of MAGPUL slings, as I say there, or anything else that uses a hook onto that diameter loop. So anything that's like a weaver based, or as they say, a 1913 type of rail. Solid steel construction, no spec manganese phosphate finish. That will be a pretty good color match. Anything similarly, that type of pattern and finish. We got MAGPUL RSA rail sling attachments. These came from Primary Arms. Check them out. They got a lot of stuff on their website. And it's just been a real quick unboxing video, and feel free to check out other unboxing and unbagging videos on the channel. We also do more specific show and tell, also a select book review, media review type of videos. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.